Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 54 George Street in Cellardyke. It's an amazing 2-bedroom, Grade C listed, period property right at the back of me, mid-terraced. Finished on an extremely high standard inside. It is gorgeous. And look at the views, it actually looks over towards CELLARDYKE Harbour. So CELLARDYKE Harbour here, and as you go along the road, you've got the CELLARDYKE open water tidal pool at the end of that road. Then you've got all the amenities along here as well. You get Chinese restaurant away along there. This is actually the Fife Coastal Path itself coming along here, all the way along, and then you can go further back into the main facilities in Anstruther, all the bistros, cafes, restaurants, and another harbour itself. This is the property, as I said, right here itself. We'll pop in the front door and then we'll tell you all about it as I go round. So immediately as I come in here, we can see this beautiful stonework which sets the tone for this straight away. Now this is like this all the way throughout. Very, very idyllic, very upmarket inside as well. And then you've got this beautiful sun porch to the front. Perfect seating location. You've got the boiler at the back of there as well. And then you've got these plantation shutters. Now you can see through this, but for the aid of the camera, to look over to here, as I said, there you go. Beautiful views across to the CELLARDYKE Harbour. Elevated as well, so nobody's really looking into your property itself in here. And then as you go down, as I said, towards this doorway, but this beautiful stonework here as well. I like that rope balustrade up there. Now, off into the right hand side, first of all, we can pop into one of the first bedrooms, which is downstairs. Love the fact that it's got built-in storage for your wardrobe. Also, double glazed with the sash and case to the front. So it keeps the noise down perfectly and keeps the elements nice and cosy in here as well. Beautiful finish inside here. Very, very in keeping with the area. One of the features I do like about this, built on a solid rock it must have been, because there it is, the original bits here itself, that must have been left here from the very, very beginning it was built. But I love that, in the fact that it gives it huge amounts of character. As we look round again towards the front, now I can say furniture in here is available at separate negotiation as well, so it could be ideal. Broadband in here as well, by the way. And then through the walkway, look at this. This is like something on Instagram. Watch as I walk through. You could just hear the music going as we walk into that beautiful feature on that front there. And we pan round. That is gorgeous. Look at that stonework and that fireplace. Absolutely beautiful. Now, huge amount of space in here, so good living room area. You've also got off to the rear there, you've got a dining table, place for a dining table and chairs, if that's what you want. Kitchen's further on through there, but we're going to go upstairs first of all. I'd like to have a look at a different angle when I'm coming through here, just so you can see it. So you can see it at a different angle here. You've got these double sash and case windows to the front, looking out towards the porch itself. And then as we pop upstairs, we'll just nip up to the second bedroom upstairs. Again, another thing I like about this, about the high standard, double glazed, solid wood sash and case windows. Really, really high standard in here, as you can see. And then you've got a cupboard as well for storage for this main bedroom off to the side, for hanging, shelving, storage space. We've got massive space for a double bed there. Easily fit, as you can see. Again, that double glazed sash and case window to the rear. And then you've got a double glazed Velux style window to the front there as well, which I'm sure if you hang out, you can see the harbour from there as well. Bathroom. What I do like about the bathroom, well, I like everything about here, to be honest. But this clawfoot bath, freestanding, it's really nice. I like that. It's a nice feature. And then as well, you've got that view. Look at that view. I can see a big ship out there. See that big ship out there? Right there. But that's it. I could see that comfortably with the naked eye, by the way. Camera doesn't even do it justice, but that's some view. This in the morning, beautiful blue skies most of the time. Sunshine beating in towards here. It is just so idyllic. And then we'll pop back through and we'll nip downstairs now and let you see the kitchen, and then we'll pop out the rear to let you see the rear of the property as well. Again, I can't get over that stonework. What story could that tell? That beautiful stonework there. Just wow. Okay, nice features in here. This looks like original door as well, and furniture on here. Wait till you see the back door. It's really nice, quirky. Brilliant storage here. You've got your oven hob in there. You've got two skylights, double glazed skylights for natural light to come in. You've also got a window to the side for a lot of natural light coming in there as well. I like this about the split level kitchen. So you go up there, preparation and washing facilities as well as dishwasher. And then when you come back, you go down and you've got plenty of space for your oven hob. Again, facilities for preparation and storage as well. The unique feature again about this property, I love this wee back door. There's something nice and quintessential about that. So this wee top window opens up. See that wee feature? And then you have the main door that opens into the rear. So we could pop out to the rear here, and then we'll let you look at the rear of the property itself. So the rear of the property itself, as you'll see as I look round, you can see these windows again that I described upstairs. All in really good quality and standard. Love the stonework. And probably the history behind it as well. The fact that it's been here for so many years. Okay, so let's pop back in and I'll just recap before we sign off. I'll give you one last look at this feature wall. I love it, absolutely love it. Right across the front there. Gorgeous, isn't it? And then as I said, you've got the sash case windows towards the porch and the plantation shutters. Brings in a huge amount of natural light in there. As we look round again. And the stairway going up to the double bedroom and bathroom itself. Okay, so let's recap. Beautiful, stunning, high standard, finished at high standard, 2-bedroom, mid-terraced, Grade C listed period property. Elevated from the Fife Coastal Path itself, it runs right in front of here. You can pop along for your open water swimming if you want, if that's your thing, to the Cellardyke Tidal pool just along the road. You've got the harbour just at the front of you there, just off to the side. Then back along, Chinese restaurant, to have a wee takeaway if you want, if you're looking a bit peckish. And then further along there itself, you're into the Anstruther main facilities, which is the cafes, bistros, restaurants and pubs. Amazing as well along there. All the facilities you should ever need. Good schools, local location as well. And really, it's welcome to God's country, isn't it? You can get more details on this post if you want to click on the link above or below here. You can see the pictures, you can see the description, you can read the description as well. Or you can message us direct on this post for further details, or you can contact us on 01 333 421 774. And until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.